Okay, good morning friends. Today we have to study first of all theorem 7.2. Angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. Okay, this is the statement of theorem 7.2. What is angle opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal? Okay, first of all we have to given that I write to given what is given in triangle ABC. Okay, first of all given that triangle ABC and AB is equal to AC, right? Why? The angle opposite to equal sides means of isosceles triangle are equal. So this is the isosceles triangle ABC and two opposite side, angle opposite side equal is two sides. AB is equal to AC is equal. This is the given. We have to prove that the angle opposite to angle side of an isosceles triangle. So I can write angle B is equal to angle C. This is the isosceles, so it is to AC. Okay, we have to prove angle B is equal to angle C. First of all, we have to draw the figures. Okay, so this is the I can draw a figure here. First, second. Okay, this is the triangle. And I want to triangle is the measurement is A, B and C. Here AB and AC both are equal sides. And then we have to prove that angle B and angle C should be equal. First of all, we are going to for the proof. In the proof, spelling mistake. Proof. First of all, I can in triangle ABC, we are draw AD, draw the bisector of angle A is intersect BC at point D. Okay, I can bisect this triangle. Okay, this is the D. Okay, now we have to prove that angle P is equal to C, angle C. So I can just do that. First of all, I can say that now in triangle, I can something I want to write down. So here, okay. So you have to triangle ABD in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Okay, we have to write that. What is this? I can write AB is equal to AC. It is given in the question. What is the AB is equal to AC? Okay, because isosceles triangle, so two sides are equal. Then AB is equal to AC. It is given. Now I can write angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. Why? This angle, like BAD means this angle and CAD means this angle. Both are same. Why? Because AD bisect angle A. Draw the bisector of angle A intersect BC and D. So bisector AD is bisect. So this, and now last one. What is the AD is equal to AD? Okay. Why? Common side. Right? So I can write that easily then. Triangle ABD congruent triangle AC. Right? By the rule side angle side. SAS congruence rule. Side angle side rule. So now I can write that we are know about this angle ABD is equal to angle ACD. Why? Because there is the CPCT. We are know about the CPCT because this is the angle are two triangle are congruent, so this angle also equal by the CPCT. Okay. So I can also write what is angle. So sorry, angle. Here is the ABD and ACD. Here ABD it is okay, but we can write ABC also because C point is on the BD. So also we can write ABC is equal to angle ACD. We are not at ACD, but we can also write down that ACB. Angle तो same ही रहेगा. So I can write ACB. Okay. So I cannot justify. So I can write also. Here is the ABC means angle B, and ACB means angle C. This is our theorem is complete. Okay. This is our theorem 7.2. Are you ready? Got it? See the carefully and write down on your notebooks. Okay, now this is the theorem number 7.3. The side opposite equal angle of a triangle are equal. This is the statement of the theorem 7.3. What is the side opposite to equal angles of a triangle are should be equal. So we have to first of to given is the triangle. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to angle C. Okay, angles are equal. Then B is equal to C. I can write. We have to prove. What is the proof? Proof is AB is equal to AC. Okay. So first off, I can draw the triangle. So this is our very good triangle is here. So again, so I can write. Here is the triangle A, B, and C. Here this angle and this angle both are same, B and C same. Okay? We have to go into proof. Okay. First of all, I will write in triangle ABCD. Draw bisector bisect. Draw the bisector of angle A. Bisector of angle A. Okay, I can draw bisector of angle A, and this is the D of A, which is intersect on BC at point D. Okay, we are writing. So now in triangle, what is the triangle? ABD and triangle ACD. Okay. First of all, we have to given that ABC angle. ABC is given that angle ABC is equal to angle ACD. We are not at ABD, this angle ACD, this angle, both are same because it is given. Where given? In the question, given that. So, given this. Now, angle. What is the angle? BAD equal to angle CAD. Why? By the construction. Okay, by the construction. What is this angle and this angle? Because A is bisected by AD. So these both angles are same. And now third one is common side AD. AD is equal to AD. This is the common sides. Okay. We have to prove angle side. Otherwise the angle side angle. Okay. So this is the theorem is angle side. We can write angle side rule. We can write triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD. So we are write that AB is equal to AC by CP CD. Okay, this theorem should be complete. Okay, see the carefully and write down on your notebook. See the carefully. This is theorem. Okay, now example number 4. In triangle ABC, the bisector of AD of angle A is perpendicular to the side BC. See in the figure, okay? So that the AB is equal to AC and triangle ABC is a isosceles triangle. So first of this, we are start that this is the in triangle ABD. I can write in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. Okay. I can just write both triangle first and second ABD and ACD. This is the triangles both are okay. First of all, I can write angle BAD is equal to angle ACAD. Why? Because this is the given of the data. where the triangle ABC is the bisector of AD of angle A is perpendicular to the side BC. Okay, bisector of angle A. So both angles are equal. So I can write BAD angle CAD. So both angles are equal. So I can write this is the given because triangle is the bisector of AD of angle A. So these both angles are equal. Okay. Now second thing. What is the second thing? This is the AD. Both triangle common side is AD. ABD is my common AD and ACD is the common side is AD. So I can write AD is equal to AD because this is the common, okay, common side. So just 1 minute. Common. Okay. And last one is, what is the last one is? Yes, 90 angle one. ADB and ADC equal. ADB equal to ACD is equal to, I can write 90. It is given what is A is perpendicular to the side BC. BC. Okay. AD is perpendicular of side BC. So I can write also triangle ABD congruent triangle ACD. Okay. So I can easily write AB is equal to AC. It is by C B C T. Got it? This is our example number 4. Okay? See carefully and write down on your notebooks. Okay friends, now example number 5. E and F are respectively the midpoints of equal side AB and AC of triangle ABC. See in the figure, okay? So that BF is equal to C. First of all, we have to find that this is the E and F respectively the midpoints of the equal side AB and AC. So it is given that AB side and AC side both are equal and their midpoints of AB is midpoint of E and AC is midpoint of F. This the both are midpoints of AB and AC. Okay? Two sides equal, that AB and AC. Now I can write directly. First of all, I can take short stick. Okay. Now, first of I can write in triangle ABF. I can write here. Sorry. In triangle ABF and triangle ACE. I can also draw here both triangles separately. Okay? I can draw both triangles separately here. Okay? And here also. I can write here B, F, A, E, and C. Okay? So in this both triangle we are know that AB is equal to AC because E and F are respectively the midpoints of equal side of AB and AC. So AB and AC are equal. It is given in the data. First AB and AC. Okay, I can write AB here and AC both triangle. Okay, now I can say that angle BAF is equal to angle CAE. CAE. So it is common angle A. This is the common of angle A. This angle A and this angle both should be angle. And now I can write also AE is equal to AF. AE is equal to AF. Sorry, AF is equal to AE होगा. Because AF is coming triangle ABF and AE coming triangle AC. Why this should be both equal this and this? Because first of all AB and AC are equal and then E and AF is midpoint of the both sides. So this is the AE and AF should be equal. So I can write that hellos just a minute of equal side. Hellos of the equal side. So I can write easily triangle ABF congruent triangle ACE. So I can easily write BF is equal to BF is equal to CE. Why? Because CP CT. Okay, this is the sum is complex. Got it my point? Okay, see the carefully and write down on your notebooks. Okay, now example number 6. In this example, in an isosceles triangle ABC with AB is equal to AC, D and E are points on PC such that the B is equal to C. Okay, see the figure carefully so that AD is equal to AB. So, first of all, we have to given that AB is equal to AC. Then I can mark AB and AC should be equal. Second thing, D and E are points on BC such that B is equal to CD. D and E is the point such that the BE and CD both are equal. It is given by the question. So we have to prove that AD is equal to A. AD and A this should be equal. First off, I can write that here first in triangle ABD and triangle SCD. I can separately this figure now. This here is A, B and D. A, E and C. Okay. Here AB, AC should be equals. Okay, we know that. So I can write here AB is equal to AC in this triangle. Okay, so it is the equation number 1. Why? It is given in this lesson. AB is equal to AC. It should be already given. Now I can write that angle P is equal to C. What can I write? Angle B is equal to angle C. Why? Because this is the equation theorem 7.2. This is the equation number 2. Why? Theorem 7.2 is said that opposite sides are equal, then opposite angles should be equal. This both sides equal, so this angle and this angle should be same because this is the isosceles triangle. Okay, this is the angle B is equal to C by the theorem of 7.2. And now last, what is the last? We know that BE is equal to CD. It is given that in the question, so I can write just only BE is equal to C. Why? It is given. Okay, I can given. We know about the chapter number 5, Euclid's exam, that is postulate that we are subtract also and add also both sides. So I can subtract D both sides. So I can write BE negative D. B minus D is equal to CE negative D. Okay, C negative D. So I can write here is the BED. I can write position this side and this side. Suppose I can take B part, then also a B E and it is D. I can take this figure to here, and I can take this figure to here. B, E, and C. Okay. So here is CD. So I can write here CD. We have to give one first start. I think B is equal to CD. Is I can write B is equal to CD is given. We are cancel, means subtract both sides with D. So here is the B to E. Here is B to E. B is here. Subtract D. The D part cancel. What can we receive? This BD. So I can write here BD is equal to BD. Same as it. This is the CD part. Whole CD part. Cancel D. I can cancel D. So what is the figure? EC. Right? EC. This is the EC. Okay? So I can write EC and BD. Got it? So this is the equation number 3. So I can write, अब यहाँ पे देख लो, AB angle side, here side angle side. Here मिलके AB is equal to AC, B is equal to C, and BD is equal to EC. We can go. So by the equation first, second, and third, we can write by first, second, and third. We can write that the triangle ABD, congruent triangle AC, ABD, congruent triangle ACE. So I can also write AD is equal to A. by the CP. Okay, this is the example number 6. Complete. Okay, see the carefully and write down on your notebooks. Okay.